easy way to get texture and pattern on concrete surfaces? Check out the Marshalltown Rock and Roller system. Unlike concrete stamps, the rock and roller pattern can be applied onto the surface relatively soon after the concrete's been poured, screeded, floated, and edged. It's the perfect solution for fast, high-production decorative concrete work. The rock and roller is available in over 10 custom patterns and textures and widths from 11 to 36 inches. Plus, the rock and roller includes a heavy-duty steel frame, 2 weight rods, 2 weights, and a standard 1 3/4 inch push-button adapter for easy handle attachments. Using the rock and roller is simple. The first step is to spray a release agent on both the uncured slab and around the cylinder of the rock and roller. This will prevent the roller from sticking and lifting the concrete as it rolls across the slab. Next, place the roller on the end of the slab. Then, slowly roll it across the slab, carefully lining it up on the edges as you go. Remove the roller once it reaches the other end. Behold, instant success! On large slabs, move the roller over and make a second pass. Spray additional release agent on the slab and the roller as needed. Repeat the process as necessary until the entire slab has been rolled. If the concrete has begun to cure and harden, you can add weights which apply more downward pressure so the pattern correctly imprints on the surface. Some patterns have grout lines which need to line up on each pass, while other textures are more random, so alignment is not necessary. The narrow rollers work great for creating pattern and texture along a curved edge, and decorative borders are quick, easy, and provide a custom look. There are handy extras that make the job easier too. The 9-inch texture rollers can be used to touch up overlaps and roll hard-to-reach areas. And the touch-up wheel helps fix small gaps. The Marshalltown Rock and Roller is easy to use, takes less time, and produces pro results. The perfect solution for your next decorative concrete job.